this is Vani and I'm from Hyderabad. First day of my college, I was so excited, to come into college. And as soon as I entered, I didn't know where to go. There was one more girl beside me who is Sonali, and we both of us went to HOD of chemical department, and from there we went to our class. That was my first day. And after that, few days were so boring because I didn't like CE or any other subjects. They were so boring and routine. And maybe after a week or so, there came a person into my life whom I could say changed my life. That is Srijana. So we both of us went to I was the first person for her to meet in the college, and after that I enjoyed a lot. And after that I became friends with Akila and Gayatri. Almost my whole first year was between four of us. I enjoyed a lot, and the best memory of first year used to be like I used to wait for Akila's tiffin box so eagerly, and I was the one to eat all her food. It used to be so delicious. And even now we all of us wait for her food box. And in second year, there was some fun missing in my life, and I just felt something should happen. So Rajeshwari and Bhavani, Ramya, these all entered, and Rajeshwari, she created a great something like she changed my the way I think, and she just encouraged me in all the fields, and she made me do many things like presentation and all. Even though I wanted to give even before, there was no support for me. With her entry, I really made great things with her support and all. The great memories were, night outs with Rajeshwari, and the project which I did with Akila and all. We almost two complete days we were in Akila's home. We didn't even come out of a room, surrounded by those four walls, and we just had a lot of fun in her Akila's room making a project. And it was a success. It was successful, and the great achievements were winning a third prize for PPT in NIT. That was a really great achievement for me. And one more thing, what I wanna best memory was in labs with Nambi, Veena, and Bhavani. We four of us used to do just nothing. We used to not do even a single thing. We used to just chit chat and copy everything from others, from girls' batch and all. That was funniest thing of CBIT was labs and all, where I didn't learn anything. I learned a lot from our first year ma'am Subhadra, even though I mean, whatever she taught, physics and all, those all didn't enter into my mind, but she taught something else, like how to live on your life. Like what she used to say is, other than educational value, you should spend time with your family, and that is more like your parents and all. That influenced me a lot. She's a great impact on, she influenced me a lot.
Could you tell me something about your favorite book?
My favorite books, I have many, and the book which influenced me a lot is Secret. So whenever I feel distressed or low-hearted, I just go through that book. And one more thing, one more book which I like the most is I Too Had a Love Story, which explained love in a very beautiful manner. I just love it.
Three things in the world that you cannot live without.
I just can't be lonely. I just want people to be around me, to be surrounded by people so that I can share my feelings and all. And one more thing is I just can't live without food, and I just can't live without my mom.
What do you feel the unique thing about CBIT?
Unique thing, it taught me a lot of things. Before I used to be, somewhat low, somewhat a bit calm and all. After entering into it, I just learned how to be independent. Even though others don't recognize you just have to move on your way. People may not help you in all ways, so you just have to move on your way. The movie which had a great impact on me is Neerja. What I learned is that you may not live for a long time. You don't know when your life ends, so just chill out and just don't be depressed by what people may think of you. Whatever you want to do, don't just wait for time to come. Just do it when just do it. Don't wait for time to come.
So if given a chance, what profession would you like to choose?
Um, I just love to teach. So if I get a chance, maybe I'll become a teacher, or even I love to cook. So maybe I'll become a chef. This is a famous quote, which influences me a lot. Said by Steve Jobs: "Stay hungry and stay foolish." Had a great fun in CBIT all these years. Um, it had been so great to to spend all my 4 years with all these people. So do remember me and stay happy. Thank you.